Hi kids! In this video we will learn the magic words. Sorry, please, excuse me, welcome, thank you, may I, good morning, hello, goodbye, good luck, very good, you did it. Don't forget to use these magic words in your daily life. If you like this video, please subscribe.